Made of really good quality PVC material, strong and long-lasting to use. Made of a strong type of plastic called PVC, which lasts a long time when used. This product is made of strong and long-lasting PVC material. The tail design and groove back design help to make things more stable. Realistic swimming movements in water that look very similar to the real thing. The eyes have a 3D appearance and are very colorful, which makes them stand out and get a lot of attention. The top option for people who enjoy fishing.